Hey YouTube, how you doing? This is Joe over at Autosound. I got here a 1960 VW Bug. We just installed a full audio system in. We're using custom Autosound 740 model radio with the ivory style knobs to match the stock ones. This head unit is a fully digital unit with AM, FM, Bluetooth, auxiliary, and USB. Primarily Bluetooth is what most clients are going to use. Even has the trim that follows the original trim. Front stage, we used ALPINE Type R 65.2 coax speakers. We used custom Autosound's plastic kick panels, modified them to properly fit and work with the bamboo tray that the client wanted to keep in place. We then matched it in a similar colored carpet. Left and right still have full access to the clutch, gas, and brake pedals. In the rear, behind the seat, we did ALPINE's Type R 69.2 6x9s and their SWR8D2 subwoofer. It's their 8-inch. So what we did was build an enclosure in the center and then a beauty board wrapped in the same color carpet for the two 6x9s. The heart of the system is a 5-channel PDR V75 mounted and hidden under the seat right next to the battery. Let me see if I could give you guys a quick demo on the audio.
Amazing. iPhone. Yeah. I tried to show. Yeah.
So we definitely get great volume, highs and mids, and definitely lows. It's a nice little kind of hatchback area with the bubbled rear windshield, so that 8-inch woofer is sufficient. Once again, Joe from Autosound in Marina Del Rey. If you have any questions, call us up, 310-827-8121. Thanks, YouTube.